Hey, this is Kendama Kobe 117 here with your second Java tutorial, and I'm going to teach you about strings and integers and this one feature for Java, which is a utility scanner. So let's get started. So first, as you had before, you can keep the same class. You imported your main method, and within it you put system.out.println hello world. So this time let's start with naming a string. Let's just call it name, just like that. And then we'll put an integer as age. So now what you're going to do after you've done that is, since you have the scanner, you have to tell the system to actually put it within your code. So you have to do this and do scanner and then name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine input equals new scanner, and then within parentheses you put system dot in. And what that does is it inputs the scanner into your main method and telling the system to put it actually within the code. So now that you have that, we'll go ahead and ask the user what his or her name is by typing in a print statement. So system.out.println what is your name? Okay, so now that you have that, what you want to do in order to get the user's information and save it somewhere, you have to use the scanner feature, which pretty much does that, and use whatever variable you want it to. So for example, I have a name here, so you would do for this name equals, and then put the name of your scanner, which mine's input dot, and then use the method next line. Now pretty much what that does is whatever he types in on the next line, like the line below this statement, that is what will be saved as the name. So now what you can do is you can just do system.out.println, and just, you don't have to do quotation marks. You can just put name, whoops, I spelled that wrong, and whatever the user types in, it'll print that out. And now on to the integer. Now there are different things you can do for the integer, like a random number generator, but for this I'm just going to show you what it can do, and I'm just going to set the integer to a number. So I'll just set it to like 75. Okay, so now that you have that, if you do system.out.println, whoops, I spelled that wrong. If you just type in age, what it will do is since you saved 75 into age, what it'll do is it'll print out 75. So I'll just go ahead and show you what this will print out. Okay. Proceed. Hello world, what is your name? So let's see, so I'll just type in Bob Marley or something. I think I spelled it wrong, but I don't really care. So what it did was, so after I did that, see, I typed in this, and it typed in the exact same thing below it. And then since we put in 75 as the age, it printed out 75. So now I can like change the age or whatever to like 503 or something. And then just rerun the program. Click OK. Proceed. That's something you guys won't probably have to worry about. Okay, hello world, what is your name? So let's just type in that, LSDHFS. I don't know, I just typed in random keys. Okay, so typed in the exact same thing as I typed in. And then, of course, since I put in 503, it typed in 503. So that is pretty much all for this tutorial. And if you have any questions, just send me a comment and please subscribe. So I'll see you next time.